Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can invest in gold using the Plus500 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. And don't forget to check the links in the description. So let's jump into it. First, open the Plus500 app, then go to the trade section, which you can do on the top by sliding this little slider to the left to trade. And here you can find gold under the most popular section, but you can also find it under the commodities section. And from here, you just have to tap on at the gold bar. If you tap on it, you can see the statistics regarding the gold price in the last periods. And to invest in gold, you just have to tap on buy. And here you can type in the amount of ounces that you would like to purchase. As you can see, you can obviously tap on it and you can set an amount like this. 10 ounces, which is going to cost me $18,000. And you can also set up an automatic investing function, which says buy when rate is. And here you can lower the rate. So the app is going to invest your money automatically when the rate is lower. But if you can also invest right away. So right now I will purchase 10 ounces for $18,000. Let's tap on buy. And your investment just went through, as you can see the green check mark. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.